kailangan daw mag-exercise. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa labas ng bahay para lang mag-skipping rope. Yeah. Kailangan niya raw i-improve yung kanyang stamina. Punta sana kami sa park, kaya lang panay ambon, mahangin. Kaya sabi ko, dito lang sa labas ng apartment para kahit paano pag umulan, makakapasok agad kami. Iikot ko kayo habang si Sophia ay nag-skipping rope, kung ano talaga ang behind the scene dito sa England. Kasi yung England, alam nyo, dahil maraming mga foreigners, di ba? Maraming mga immigrants. At yung karamihan sa mga immigrants, dala-dala pa rin yung ugaling alam nyo na, galing sa ibang bansa, dala pa rin yung ibang ugali na galing sa ibang bansa. Kaya pagdating dito sa England, ito hindi marunong mag-sort ng garbage, hindi marunong mag-sort out ng garbage. Kasi dito talaga dapat naka-sort out ang garbage. Pero dahil walang pakialam, kaya itong itsura ng aming basurahan dito. Kaya nagrereklamo yung mga garbage men. Pag pinipick up nila yung garbage, nagrereklamo na sila. Pinapadalhan ang bawat residente ng sulat na kung magtapon kayo ng basura, paki-sort out ang basura. Kasi ito hindi naka-sort out na to. Iba na to. O halo-halo. Pero pag ako, dapat naka-sort out. Lalo na si Hana. Talagang nakahiwalay yung mga bulok at hindi mabubulok. Ganito. No plastic dapat dito. No plastic. No black bags. No general waste. No plastic, no bags, no general waste. Dapat dito na mga karton, mga papel. Diyan yung mga babasagin. Plastic. Food and drinks cans. Tapos grabe mga pagkain. Dapat iba. Alam nyo na, ayaw ko nang maghugas kamay, pero ang talagang may gawa niyan yung mga dala-dala pa rin yung ugali galing sa kanilang bansa. Yun. Kaya ganyan talaga ang buhay dito. Kayong England, hindi rin malinis. Pero sa Czech Republic, talagang sobrang linis. Talagang disiplinado yung tao. Ang birapin kay. Yan. Good job. Mahangin. Sobrang hangin. Tapos ambon, hinto, ambon na naman, hinto na naman, ambon. Pero dapat ngayon summer na rito sa England. Ito yung ayaw ko rito sa England. Summer na, pero ganito pa rin ang panahon. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, pag summer, talagang summer. Sa Czech Republic, pag summer din talaga. Dito sa England, talagang, lalo na sa Manchester, ibang panahon dito. Kaya tingnan nyo, naka-jacket pa rin kami. Ayan, galing nga kaya. Tingnan nyo, mula nung pinakita ko sa inyo, isang linggo na hindi hinakot yung basura. Kasi yung truck hindi makapasok kasi yung kotse nakaharang. So, dapat nakakuan ka yung segregate ang basura. So yung mga nababasag dapat ganito. Pero tingnan nyo, yung mga kapitbahay ko, hindi nila sinisegregate yung basura nila. Dapat nakasegregate to. Yung babasagin at saka hindi babasagin.
Tata, look.
Yeah.
Your favorite cinnamon.
Tapos ito yung mga papel, karton dito. Yun. Marami kong ibabasahin. Si Hana hindi pa tapos maglinis. Grabe nilinisin. Sobrang dami nang lilinisin. Kasi yung linis namin every Saturday, Sunday. Busy kami ni Hana pag Monday to Friday. Hana is in charge of general cleaning today. Look! Talagang messy na, messy. Of course, ang aming Pinkay tumutulong na sa pag-iimpake. Pinkay? Yeah? Yeah? Yes. At ako naman, syempre, si Japit Boy is in charge of... What do you think, darling? I'm in charge of what?
Vlogging.
Cooking. Cooking and kitchen. All kitchen today, Japit Boy is in charge. So, galing na rin ako sa pamamalingki. Yun. Amalingki ako. Magluluto ako ng aming pananghalian. Alas 10 na ng umaga. So, pananghalian time. Yun. Una-una, syempre, ang aking gagawin ay lalagay ko muna ang aking mga binili dito sa papag. Okay. Yun. So, pero pag messy, hindi ko alam kung ano ang una kong gagawin. I don't know what to do first. If everything is messy, I don't know what to do. What do you think I'm gonna do first, darling?
Clean the kitchen.
Clean the kitchen. Okay, Japit Boy, clean the kitchen. Nalagay ko muna yung mga pinamili ko rito. Dami kong pinamili, oh. Ito mga pang snacks ni Hanat ni Sofia. Tinapay. Berries. Para sa akin yan. Alam nyo na. Berries, daming berries. At saka yung manok. Laking manok. 2 kilo na chicken thighs. 2 kilo na chicken thighs is 470. Darling, is this the one you asked me to buy?
Yeah.
Okay. Pang sushi niya ata to. Sushi. Salmon. Okay. Pork belly. Pinaka-paborito ni Japit Boy na karne ng baboy. Frozen berries para kay Sofia. Pangkape ni Japit Boy mamaya. Pastry. At saka mag-roast ako ng manok. Mag-oven ako ng isang buong manok. At ang aming gatas na sobrang healthy. Coconut milk. Healthy. Okay, courgette. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Cooking time. Look at this. How's my baby?
I'm good. I'm sorry I look horrible right now.
No, you don't. You don't look horrible.
My hair.
Okay, I'm gonna cook now, yeah?
Yeah.
Take it easy, okay?
Yes.
All right. Sarap! Very sarap! It's not cooked yet. Diyan ang aking sotanghon. I think this is What do you think?
Yeah, it looks delicious. I can't wait.
Another 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And then, this one. Woo! Unbelievable! Lagyan ko ng sotanghon.
I will throw it there.
Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Cha-chan, cha-chan, cha-chan.
Sophia, I want chicken.
You want a chicken? Okay, take the chicken.
Soup?
Soup
Are
and
you
chicken. Put the chicken as well.
I thought you were talking about the soup from yesterday.
No, this
You
is new
like
soup.
my soup?
Yeah, I did, but I thought the chicken would be better. But then I didn't know it was this type of soup.
Ooh. Ooh.
So,
You put the...
what's that? Is that? Oh,
What's it?
What's that? You put the egg?
No.
What's that?
Oh my goodness, the chicken is pregnant.
Oh, that's balut.
The chicken is pregnant. Bring mo pinky.
actually,
Huh?
look.
Hey, there's an egg.
OMG.
Yeah, isn't it?
Huh?
Oh, you put it in there.
You cook the chick with the chicken.
I didn't put it there.
Move there.
Oh. I don't believe you for some reason.
Huh? I didn't put it there.
Actually, be honest.
Remove it.
Move it. Actually, that's not right.
I don't think so that they could be with the chicken. Oh my goodness, the tie. Yeah.
Okay.
You are Santa Claus. Wow.
Ooh.
On request. Thank you.
Request ni Hana to. Parang sutanghon na hindi ko maintindihan.
I want to eat the chicken already.
And you, do you wanna the soup also?
Yeah, I want both.
You wanna both? Wow, Sophia.
So hot.
So hot?
Like see them
Take it slowly.
pork.
Take it slowly. You can do it.
I can do it. I did it.
Yes.
I love this.
So this one is courgette and dried mushroom.
No, this was Filipino ears.
Filipino ish. Chicken and then sotanghon. Nalagyan ko ng sotanghon.
Guys, I'm eating it with that fork because it's so hot.
Yeah. No rice.
Rice is cooking.
Rice is cooking.
Do you wanna this one?
How is it?
Very good. Very hot.
Yeah, pasabaw-sabaw tayo ngayon. Kasi alam niyo naman, malamig pa rin dito sa England.
A tiny bit.
Do you wanna this?
I can add whenever I
So
want.
we remove this one.
Should I put it?
Put it on the.
I'll just put it here.
Do you like the mushrooms? You're not sure, right?
I don't know.
But I cannot take tea without mushrooms. So if you don't like it, I'm just trying to get some noodles for you because I know that you are noodle
I'm putting it outside the pan of the chicken.
noodle toodle girl. Oy.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat po.
It's hot. Girl. Is there any like wipes like you want to come my hand?
May talagang pampalakas yan, darling ah. Getting stronger, darling ah.
I'm gonna put
Mukhang may laban ka ngayon ah. Ha.
I am so desperate.
for what?
I don't know what to do with this all.
Oh, look. Talagang wala na, hindi na wala na mapuan dito oh.
Guys, just to tell you,
Nag-aayos na
we're
kami.
moving really soon.
Mhm.
Like maybe in like 1 month, few days.
You like it? Jacket po yun, ganyan lang oh. Manok.
It's a big manok.
Big manok, yan, big manok.
Did why is there an egg in there? Why would you put an egg?
No, I didn't put the egg.
Yeah, you did.
The chicken is pregnant. Look,
No, you
the
put
chicken is pregnant. Yeah, so you have to eat that chick inside the chicken.
You mean balut?
It's the balut.
So what you gonna eat?
Chicken later. Maybe I will eat
you put.
chop.
I feel like you put the egg inside the chicken.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I don't know why.
Remove the egg.
Just open it like that.
No, just dig it out.
That I put it in, but he doesn't know how to make. Take this one.
Scoop it out. Yeah, scoop it out. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh,
Right.
oh, oh, oh.
Turn it. Yeah.
Oh!
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You won egg.
Is it yolk inside of there?
Huh? I don't know.
En altijd dat hij strikt zo voor jou.
Yeah, I know it is. It's not pregnant. You just put an egg in there. But I want to know if it's boiled. I mean, like, you know, like how.
Oh, put it aside then. Yeah.
I know it's one of your. Sorry.
This is so delicious.
Delicious.
I know it's one of your prawns.
Like it?
It's a neck out like mods.
And we'll have this in Philippines.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh my goodness, so good.
Why did it sound like gunshots?
Parang siyang, hindi naman siya tinula, parang tinula na style, tapos nilagyan ko ng courgette kasi yung upo rito sobrang mahal ng upo. Yung isang upo rito 3 pounds, maliit lang. So itong samantalang courgette 4 siya na piraso, pero 2 pounds 50 lang. Tsaka mushroom sa Chinese to binili, sa Chinese store, dried mushroom. Hannah likes it very much. Yeah.
Imagine if it was dried snails.
So she doesn't need to eat rice anymore because sotanghon okay na. Yun. Sotanghon okay na. Yan lang. So ang in charge, Hannah is the one in charge of the cleaning and all this thing here, the mess. So while she's doing some packing,
Yes.
and then I cook. Yan. Oh, talagang
I actually
tanggal
just
ah.
got this.
Huh?
I accidentally pulled out the bone.
Yeah. You twist it.
Oh.
Twist it and pull it this one. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the fork, no? But how this one?
Good Pinkay, how the test?
Good.
Very good.
Yeah. It's so nice. Juicy.
Alam nyo naman, pag si tatay magluto the best, di ba? Ito ang kakainin ko maya, yung iwi. Tawag namin yan, iwi. Chicken ass.
Yeah, for you?
Yeah.
At least you don't need to fight for it. Or else.
Yeah. Nice, Pinkay? Good? Yan. Kain lang ng kain habang may makain. Yun. Kasi ako kain ako ng 12 noon. 11:30 pa lang. Kasi busy ako sa luto Nag-shopping, nag-grocery. Gusto ko magluto ng suman, yung biko. Naghahanap ako ng malagkit na bigas. Hindi ako makahanap. Baka doon sa Pakistani store makahanap ako doon. Glutinous rice. And then I will cook, we'll make biko, kakanin. But I need a lot of cocoa cream, gata. Nice, good. So that's it. Later again.
I'm getting full.
Yeah, you're getting full.
Yeah, even though I didn't eat them.
Take it easy.
Do you like the mushroom?
Okay.
They're so crispy.
They're like, they're slimy without the slime. They feel slippery.